Alright, so we have gotten a Mitzi animatronic, and it was in pretty rough condition when we got it. I've already done a lot of work. Rebuilt a bunch of stuff like the mouth, the entire eye turn mechanism, body turn movement, everything. And it came with the valves and all that. That does not work at all. Some of the movements are pretty messed up. A lot of the flow controls are in bad condition or just need replacing. I'm gonna see if I can try, if I can fix it myself. But that's a full movement test. Here are the valves. They were on this half-cut board, and I replaced it with a solid piece, and I rebuilt the base that it was on. And we have all the cosmetics, which is awesome. There. Pretty much all of them. We don't have the feet, and we don't have the mask, but everything else we have, which is awesome. And each pair, I ordered the controller for it. Once it comes in, it should be fully functional. Yeah, I need to rebuild a bunch of these valves, especially this one right here. It doesn't even work at all. I've already looked at it a little bit, and I think I just need to replace the seals in this little piece right here. And it's the muffler for it. It's in pretty good condition. We have the whole air manifold. I'm working on cleaning up the hosing. It was pretty messed up before. I still gotta get that part right there. Much better than it was before. You replace these two hoses right here because they're both cut because they were binding against here with a head turn movement. And yeah, that's it. There's the body shells too. They're pretty messed up. The holes for the door fall out. They're in decent condition. Let's see. They do need some work though. I'm gonna have to do some fiberglass work to some parts on it. Like that right there. And I'm gonna get them looking how they should. And this character was from 1981. Around there. Shows the tag. That's it. And something I thought was pretty cool. Some of the parts. Let's see. They engraved their name on it. Thought that was cool. Has all the flow controls, all the quick disconnects, which is nice. I'm working on rewiring this stuff because it's all messed up and it wasn't right. And yeah, that is Mitzi animatronic.